Vibro tinin topic ka tense no teaching tini basic idea sering like you wanna a tense no cobrok by sangini mano zora tau fano ko students of tense no take ma confusion tongo eba confusion zago agi teacher of to school ka hamkin furungo buji never go students ono fia ba students of mai ni karon ke kaise reason tonga moni borok question khaya hoito ba sungri kan ke side en thano amor hai lasima rok khau toma bagai inkana inke jai ho tini tension to ye basic idea sunlena te confusion ro clear nga no video fast night only it tense no sen kai tham by divide kleven ten eba tense ni tinta types tong abrongka present tense past tense te future tense present tense no cobrok by tong zora eba tabuk je tong mani abono present tense ke past tense ngke lai thangjak je zora bangla bai no otit kal ingkai future tense okay finite zora eba ungnai zora abo ungya ko eba ulo ungnai amno hino future tense present tense ni example okay ang mai chao past tense ngkai ang mai chakha mane sai pai kha future tense ngkai ang mai chanai ulo chanai pia saya ko ang mai chanai ngkai present tense ang mai chao past tense ang mai chakha future tense ang mai chanai ngkai okai thamno belai kam ke mutunar gadi babro judi okai thamno judi kam ke mutunar mai ngkai confusion ngai ngkai mutunar na baga ma belai important present tense past tense te future tense inke of present tense no sentence side ta khai divide khai mano eba bin subpoint tongo present indefinite tense present continuous tense present perfect tense te present perfect continuous tense ke present indefinite tense ke jamon I play cricket I cricket thongo bhurun chimi thong kuna exact time kre saja kre I speak cobrok bupurun chimisa ang cobrok sao bupurun chimisa omo hai kuno time disagree opposite present tense ni present indefinite tense khojao inke present continuous tense hongke I am playing football ang football thungui tongu mane continuously thungui tongku mane verb play ni hote no playing phaika verb ni second form the proper of playing, doing, going, betting, eating, overongke present continuous tense. Okay, present perfect tense. Gazamon, I have played football. And just football thundrop. Mane thungi kisa jorangka. I have played football. Gabonke present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect continuous tense hongke. I have been playing football since morning. Ang phoni simino football thungi tong. Busu zara thungnai abo saimia piaba thungi tong bun simi phoni simi. I have been playing football since morning. Gabon kinge present perfect continuous tense. Mane continue thungi tong. Third person singular number kinge he has been playing football since morning. Bo phoni simino football thungi tong. Plural number here. They have been playing football since morning. Bora phone simina football thungito. Above present perfect continuous tense. Ke barbro naro confusion phanongi tohna bahasa ka I have been. Te jaka he has been. Have ni jaka has ngi thamani. They have been. Te jaka te have. Ike aba hairo te sha video person video tu hebro naro clear ngi thangana. Bajaka have use kanna. Bojaka has bor had use can get no kun confusion tang kodi abonono clear kai sirangari kai sini present tense ni site types je tomani omojotono paikha gawa hanya past tense nibo site types tongo the future tense nibo site types tongo gejotonin site types tongo kenke o tinta tense ni kaibisugno total 12 ta inge jemon nadi inge starter nine kese nadi tense no tinta divide khemani present tense, past tense, te future tense. Present tense itu site type je tomo sen thaising sirung paike. Present indefinite tense eba simple present tense bonino. Present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, present is jaga past tense ngi thangke. Past tense bahana site verb eba site types. Past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, the past perfect continuous tense. Future ni bahana site types. Future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, the future perfect continuous tense. Okay, belana hambai pa bro. Video person amen bagi. Okay, tinin video su jaran tashito. Present tense sang tinia video complete like a final next video on past tense by in future tense no. What's the by no clear kind okay, norok takti comment like sadi. A video ni saja kaba. Se like di klang di. Okay, only video na nang na bagi subscribe ketonti. Belana hambai.